Hey guys, what's going on? Steve 41 here. Um, Sorry, I know I'm probably dirty as all get out right now. Just got done feeding horses. But I figured while I was out and about, I'd check in and see how the Noco battery charger was doing. It's been, I think, 2 days now since the part of the video. And it quit flashing. I remember reading through it and it said that it was still going to be pulse and it said it was ready, but now it's just full green, which, if I read that right, meant possibly ready to install, flashing, but full green was maybe, if I read that completely correctly. But I said I'd do a part 2, so here's that. I haven't checked on the battery tender to see if it was fixed yet or not. Let's go outside, throw this bad boy in. I'm just going to undo the positive right now. Unplug the Noco. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to unplug it. There's no power going. Set that aside. And I'm going to have to do this in stages, so I'm going to take you out here with me. So I'm kind of getting used to doing all this. I got a bunch of shit in the way. My door here. So I'm going to set you guys, set you outside here next to the four-wheeler, and then I'll come back and grab the battery to install it. Just got to get it all adjusted. Just real quick. Wrong set of clamps. Okay. Maybe you can see those now. I'll fix the camera adjustment in a minute. Go grab the battery. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Okay, I will be right back with the battery. Okay guys, I'm back. There we go. You see that? I think you guys can see that. Okay. We have our battery here. It's time for the install, so we throw them all back. Kind of a horrible spot this thing. Place it in there, lift it out, adjust it, kind of want it. Let's go back a little bit. There we go. That's kind of nice. Technical difficulties. There we go. Okay. That might help us see a little bit better. Okay, now we're going to take our little 10mm kind of stubby wrench, terminals, where do the negatives go? Kind of doing this little blind. Can't really get my face between the fender and the big ass tire that's on there. Okay, not gonna lie, way easier with the tire off. There. Run the thread. Oh, that's topsy-turvy. Connect the negative. And I just tighten everything together using a 10mm wrench. Sorry about this long video, guys. My fingers are so cold that honestly I'm losing feeling in my fingers. I don't know why that's not catching that inside set screw like it should. There it is. And you know when you're getting it tighter because there's a little thing inside there that when you tighten up the screw, it raises and it pinches the cable to the battery thingamajig, battery post. Negative's tight. Same thing with positive. Bring it down till it seats a little bit, and then I can finish it off with my wrench. Shoot. And this one's a little bit harder for me to see because I'm left eye dominant, and my left eye is hitting right into the fender and not inside the wheel well. I wasn't really thinking that far ahead. I wasn't planning on making this video right now. I was just gonna see if the charger was done. But I'll run in after this is tightened down and grab the keys, see if it will start. Let it run a little bit. Okay. Promise I will get better at this. This tripod is kind of new for me. If you've seen any of my other real life videos, you'll know that I used to just use a motocross helmet as my shield. So there's the ATV itself. Clear Sportsman 450. Let me go inside, grab the keys, and we'll start it up. she starts, guys. Well, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe for more. Thank you.